Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Students, today we are going to learn about lines and angles. That is the sixth chapter in class 9. Okay, before going to details in chapter, what are the basic terms and definitions in this? We have to learn. Okay children, you will go for that one. What is first one? You will go for that line. And next one, after the line have studied in class 8th and 7th also, line, then again ray, line, ray, line, segment. In previous classes you already studied, you have learned about that one. Line, ray, line, segment. Now we are going to study about this one. Here, what is the line? Having no endpoints. Here, having no endpoints. Having no endpoints. That is called a line. Okay? A line is nothing but it has breadthless length. Line is nothing but breadthless length. Also, we have the definition. Okay? And then you go for the ray. What is the ray? Having one endpoint. That's the simple definition. Actually, I am explaining. Having one endpoint. Having one endpoint. Clear, children? Line is having no endpoints. Having one endpoint, that is the ray, and line segment. Having two endpoints. Having two endpoints. Then we will go for clear definitions of this one. Line is also called what is a breadthless length, having no endpoints. Suppose example I am drawing here. This is the line. Here the two endpoints never ends, like extending indefinitely. Okay. Here AB is a line. It never ends. This what is given here? Having no endpoints. Clearly given. That is, this part is not ending, and here this right side also not ending. This line is generally denoted by AB. Okay, this one AB is a line. Here I'll also denote the lines generally alphabets like L, M, N, like P, R, or P, Q, R, so on. Sometimes we are denoting like T also. Okay, that's a line. It is denotes AB whole line. Clear? What is clearly given? Having no endpoint. This line is having no endpoints. Now the ray having one endpoint. How to draw this one? Here one endpoint. One side is a endpoint. Clearly given, having one endpoint. Suppose this is the A and this side is B. Clear? This is the AB as a ray. One endpoint, one definitely indefinitely extending this line. Then AB is denoted by this one. This is the ray part. Clear, children? One endpoint and one side not ending. Having one endpoint. Here line segment having two endpoints. Having two endpoints. Suppose here AB is a line segment. Here AB has definite length. Here there is not perfect length, but here AB has a definite length. We can measure that length. Here one endpoint, here one endpoint, having two endpoints. That is denoted by what is AB bar. It's a line segment. Clear, children? Having no endpoints, having one endpoint, having two endpoints. This is the basic terminology in lines and angles. After this, we'll go for the point also. Point. What is the point? What is the definition of a point? A point is that which has no dimensions. A point which has no dimension. We can't find what is the dimension of this one. Okay? A point which has no dimensions. Clear, children? It's a point. It's a, there is nothing is there, just only it's a dot. Clear? We have points again like two types. Collinear points. Collinear points and non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Collinear points and non-collinear points. What is the collinear points? Three or more points lie on the same line. Three or more. Three or more points lie on the same line. Lie on the same line. Okay, collinear is nothing but three or more points lie on the same line. Example, I'll go for example. Suppose this is the line. Okay, then point A is same line, and B is also in same line, and C is also on same line. Three or more points lie on the same line. How many points we have here? A, B, C. A, B, C is called what are the points here? Collinear points. Suppose we have one more also. This is the line A, B and C, D. How many points are there here? 4 points. Clearly given definition, 3 or more points lie on the same line. A, B, C, D. What is this A, B, C, D is called? Collinear points. This A, B, C is what is? Collinear. A, comma, B, comma, C are collinear points. Here how many points are there? A, B, C, D are collinear points. Clear, children? Now we'll go for the non-collinear points. What is the non-collinear points? 3 or more points do not lie on the same line. Opposite to this one. 3 or more points do not lie on the same line. Means it's different. Okay. Suppose I'll write the definition. 3 or more points. 3 or more points do not lie. Do not lie on the same line. On the same line. What is the definition exactly? We know triangle, never. Okay. That suppose A is here and B is here and C is here. What is this points called? Non-collinear points. 3 or more points do not lie on the same line. That is a non-collinear points. Clear, children? Collinear point is 3 or more points lie on the same line, and non-collinear is 3 or more points do not lie on the same line. That is the definition. These are the basic terms in the lines and angles. Line, ray, line segment. Again, just repeat. Line is having no endpoints. Ray is having one endpoint. Line segment having two endpoints. It denotes like this: AB line and AB ray and AB line segment. Here breadthless length. Here AB one endpoint, one side is extending, and next AB it has correct length. We can find the length of the line segment. Yes. Now after that we are denoting like L, M, N, P, Q, R, so on, like small case letters. Okay. Then it will go for the point. Point is, what is the point? It is a dot. A point is that which has no dimensions. A point is which has no dimensions. Okay, that is the point. In that point, again we have two. One is collinear points, another one is non-collinear points. What is a collinear? 3 or more points lie on the same line. This is the example. And non-collinear is 3 or more points do not lie on the same line. These are the basic terms. Now we will go for the angles. Now students, we will go for the angle. What is the angle? First lines done, now we will go for angle. Angle when two rays originate from the same end point. Okay. Angle when it is forming, it is originate from same end point. Suppose this is a one ray and this is one more ray. Here one angle is formed. What is the definition of when two rays originate from the same end point? Originating from same end point. What is the end point is here? O. Rho definition we know it has only one end point. Here this is called, this one is called angle of the given one. This is called what is angle. Angle always will measure like a anti-clockwise direction. We are going through like this anti-clockwise direction. What is an angle? Again I am reading. When two rays originate from the same end point, then angle is formed. Clear children? Suppose this is I am selecting OA and this one as B. What is OA is here? Ray, and OB is ray. And what is the common end point here? Origin. Origin is what is O. Yes, and this angle AOB. What is here? Formed angle AOB. This is the angle. And what about OA? OA is a arm. OA is arm. Then and OB also arm. Clear children? And what is the common point? O is called vertex. O is called vertex. Now we go for the types of angles. Angle definition, now you know types of angles. We have already studied in class 9 from 6th onwards I think types of angles. What is the first one? Angles, types of angle. First angle is we know acute angle I think. Acute angle. Next obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next, before obtuse, what we have one more thing, right angle. That is the second one, right angle. And third one is obtuse angle. And the next one, fourth one is after obtuse we have straight angle. Straight angle. Next, reflex angle. Next, complete angle. Complete angle. Okay, this already you know I think. Just recollect the knowledge of class 6, 7 and 8. Okay, what is the acute angle? First we have to write that one. Acute angle. Acute angle, an angle is measuring between 0 to 90. Greater than 0 but less than 90. An angle whose measures 0 to 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Generally, it denotes like this. This is what is here acute angle. Okay. What is this? Greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. Then right angle. Okay. Right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Right angle is exactly measures 90 degrees. It is exactly like this. Okay, like you know L, capital L. That is a right angle. Here between these two rays, what is your right angle? Exactly 90 degrees. Suppose it is L, so forming like both are perpendiculars. Next, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle is, it's a more than 90. Yeah, more than, whose angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Okay, between 90 to 180 exactly. Between 90 to 180. Yes, then how to draw this figure? Suppose this is the one ray and this is a one ray originating from same point, and this one. Here also same anti-clockwise direction. This is what is here? Obtuse angle. What is this one? Obtuse angle. Clear children? Acute angle is 0 to 90, right angle is 90 degrees, and obtuse angle is more than 90 and less than 1. Next, straight angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. Okay, exactly 180 degrees. Then how to draw this one? Yeah, it's a straight line because already given that is straight angle. It is a straight line. Suppose from here to starting from anti-clockwise direction. Exactly this whole measuring how much it is? 180 degrees. Clear children? Here 90 degrees is like right angle, straight angle is 180 degrees. Next, reflex angle. Okay, what is the reflex angle? So more than 180, more than 180, but less than 360, less than 360. That means between 180 degrees to exactly 360, between only, that is. Okay, this is the reflex angle. How to denote this one? Suppose again it is a ray here to here, then generally denotes like this. From here anti-clockwise direction. This one is what is here? Reflex angle. What is this one? Reflex angle. Clear children? Now last one is what is here? Complete angle. What is complete means? You know, I think everyone, complete is nothing but it is 360 degrees. Complete angle is 360 degrees. Clear? Now how to draw this one? Suppose the points, end point, starting point, end point both are same. Suppose A is here, B is also here only. Then here vertex is common. If complete means rotating one circle, completing total this one. What is this one here? 360 degrees. Clear children? These are the types of angles.